Hey there, hope you're fine. So today we are making plantain and minced meat combo. It's a one pot meal and that's a plantain. And I'm just going to mix it with some dry ingredients. That's turmeric, paprika, and black pepper. And then I'm just going to set it aside. This is a one pot meal. It's best for dinner, lunch, and breakfast in case you have the time. So just heat your pan and then put some vegetable oil, then add some minced meat. That's 250 grams of minced meat. After adding the onions and the garlic, fry for like a minute and then add the plantains to the pan. Also fry for like a minute. Then add the rest of the vegetables. Those are carrots, red and yellow bell peppers, and also some zucchinis. So I've been frying these for about 4 minutes and I'm just adding some ketchup to the pan and then mix everything together. Then add some beef curry powder and then I'm going to add some dark soy sauce to the pan. So I added other ingredients to the plantain, so there is no need to add them again. And I've just added a little barbecue sauce to the pan also, and then I'll just add very little salt since we are using dark soy sauce. And then I'm going to add water to the pan, just enough water to cook your plantains because the minced meat is already cooked. So that's enough water. I'm just going to let it cook until the plantains are ready. And this is how it looks when the water has dissolved. And at this point, my plantains are ready. Thank you guys for watching the video.